Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can post on Facebook and Instagram at the same time. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Meta Business Suite. You simply need to open this. So once you open, you simply need to click on get started. So once you are here, you can see that my Facebook is connected with Instagram. So you simply need to click on create post. Okay, so once you are here, you can see post to Facebook. This is my page and I want to post on Instagram as well. So you simply need to select both and add photo from your PC. So I'm going to add this picture for example. Here you need to add the caption, and if you want you can publish, and if you want you can schedule as well. So this is my Facebook feed and this is my Instagram feed. Okay, so you can see that both are selected, and after that you need to click on publish. So this is the process by which you can post on Facebook and Instagram at the same time. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.